Are you a struggling trader? Come a little closer here. That was me 3 years ago before I understood this concept. And that concept is offense and defense. Now, what am I talking about? A lot of people get confused when I say that a good trader, a profitable trader, needs to be able to play offense and defense really well. Now, the reason why this is important is because, as you guys know, in the market, it's easy to make money, but it's also just as easy to lose it, if not easier. Your consistent profitability is dependent on your ability to not only make money, but to keep it in your pocket. That is where the struggle began. Now, the way I look at this is like a football team, all right? A football team has an offense and a defense component, all right? Your offense scores the points and your defense keeps the other team from scoring points. Just like in trading where you're making money and that's your offensive side and you're trying not to lose it, and that is your defensive end of trading. You need to be good at both because a good football team has to have good defense and good offense. And likewise in trading, you have to be good at making money and also be good at not losing it. And your ability to not lose money is almost more important than your ability to make it. So what do you need to do when you need to play defense in trading? First thing you need to do is reduce size, okay? There's gonna be moments in the market, periods in the market, days, weeks, months, where it's not easy to make money and you need to adjust to that market. First step is reducing size. Second step is to simply trade less. There's nothing going on in the market, nothing setting up the way you like it, then simply trade less. This is a way of protecting previous profits, protecting capital, all right? And this is all part of playing defense. Lastly, you want to be patient. This also kind of wraps up the previous two. If you're not seeing anything that's moving that well, the market's dead, nothing's moving, be patient, wait, come back the next day, maybe wait all morning and maybe a pattern will set up a little bit later, but be patient. Don't just jump on anything that you see just because you're desperate to make money. When the market is slow, this is your time to play defense. Now, on the flip side, there's gonna be periods of time when the money comes in like stealing candy from a baby. It's just like you see a pattern and it works, okay? And this, we all love these periods of time. In these periods of time, you want to increase size. You want to take on more risk to capitalize on the hot market, okay? Second thing you're gonna wanna do is trade more, actually trade more. Now within reason, because it's a dicey area when you start over trading. That's when you can get yourself into a pickle. But on days where you are easily making money, you want to be able to push it a little bit, trade a little more, take a little bit more risk within reason, okay? This is all part of trading offensively, right? You're on the hunt, you're on the move, you're bringing in profits left and right. You really want to capture as much profit as you can before the market goes back to a slower pace. And that's when you have to switch back to defense. But lastly, offense, be aggressive. And this also ties into the previous two. And this simply means you see a pattern, take it. You're dialed into the time and sales, you're dialed into the level 2. Trust your gut, take some size, lock in those profits, and be aggressive. This is the time to be aggressive, okay? So when the market heats up and it feels like you're dialed into the stock, you're reading it perfectly, those are the times you want to be aggressive. So often traders struggle to be profitable because they will have a 2-week stretch where they make a bunch of money, they think they're the king of the world, and then the market changes and they don't switch to a defensive style of trading, right? Trading less, trading with less size, being more patient. And what happens is they accrue large losses, which drag on their profits. And in the case of an unprofitable trader, they wipe away all their profits, okay? And this can be a never-ending cycle that will crush you. And so as a beginner trader, and I struggled with this too, was I was not good at playing defense. I was good at making money, but then I was going full throttle day in and day out, and I had no ability to slow down. I was just hammering it out every day until I hit max loss or I just wiped away a month's profit. And you can do that in a single day. So if you're struggling to be profitable, pay special attention to how the market is that day, that week, that month. Is it time for you to be on the offense? Is it time for you to play defense? Being able to navigate different markets and being able to adjust to a slow market and to a hot market is going to determine how profitable you are. Okay. All right, guys, so that's the concept of offense and defense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got something out of it. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.